So you just received an email with a Students Commission survey link. Now what? How do you access that survey? The survey is set up on our Sharing the Stories platform. To get there, you can click the link directly or copy and paste it in your browser. If you've already created a Sharing the Stories account, simply scroll down, click Already Have an Account, and log in. If not, follow along to see how to register. The first step of the registration process is to set up an account. It's good to know that your survey responses will always remain confidential and separated from your personal information. The second step of the registration process is called About You. Here you can tell us if you would like to receive emails from us in the future. Then we ask for your birth date so that we can know your age and tell you apart from anyone who has the same name as you. Entering your birth date is required, but you can skip any of the other questions if you need to. Again, your answers to these questions will be kept separate from your account. They cannot be used to identify you. The third step of the registration process is to learn about research consent. Here, you can watch a quick video to learn more about what it means to give your consent to research. We also encourage you to read this letter. The fourth step of the registration process is to decide if you want to consent to your survey answers being used in research or not. If you're not sure what to answer, click Previous and watch the video embedded there. Once you click Enroll with SCC, you're taken inside the Sharing the Stories platform. This is where you will find your survey. Click on My Surveys. Now, you should see the name of your organization and activity. Click on Surveys. You will see the survey name. Click To Complete to see and fill out the survey. Make sure to click Submit at the bottom of the page. Wait until the 5-second countdown pop-up closes to confirm we received your responses. If there is more than one survey on your list, please complete all the surveys. That's it. If you run into any trouble, you can refresh the page. For more information, please contact the person who sent you the survey link.